the UNCG cafeteria located in Moore and Commons and is all-inclusive for our freshmen.
First up, we're bringing in the heat with Flame, which is our French fry, hot dogs, grilled chicken, and burger station, and so much more. Then we have our pizza, which is always cooked to perfection. We have our traditional styles and specialty pizzas. Then we have our Asian fusion station, which always has plenty to offer, even with build your own stir fry. Then we have our sandwich shop, which always has something to grab and go. You can also build your own sandwiches or have our professional sandwich maker hook you up. Then we have the pit stop, which is our specialty grab and go section for all of your favorites. We also have our taste section, which is always cooking up something different. And on today's menu, we had a burrito bar. Then we have our authentic Italian section, which usually has a specialty pasta and a build your own pasta section with always fresh dough. And for our homesick Spartans, we have our homestyle section, which is most famous for fried chicken Wednesdays. And you can't forget dessert in our yummy sweet shop. We have cakes, cupcakes, and an ice cream bar. And don't forget about the most important meal of the day. From craft lattes to cappuccinos, stop by College Ave Cafe and grab a coffee to take to class. But don't forget, we have our cereal bar with different milk options for everyone and also daily hot breakfast served. And we have our dietary restrictions and allergens covered. Here's more from our on-staff dietitian.
Hey, I'm Charlie White. I'm the campus registered dietitian for campus dining. Just to tell you a little bit about our dining hall. So we have many varieties, different types of cuisines here. If you name it, we probably have it at some part of the time in the year. But some of the very exciting things about our dining hall is we have Delicious Without, which caters to avoiding the top 9 allergens. So whether you have peanuts, tree nuts, allergies, eggs, dairy, you name it, it's there, top 9 for you. It's easy to locate. A lot of it has purple coloring, so we have purple utensils. It's not a self-service station, so you are served. When you come up, you cannot use your own plate. We have to give you a new plate every single time you come up, so we can kind of control the cross contact. Anytime you have a question about allergens, we have the Dine on Campus app. You can see our ingredients there. We also have ingredient experts, which is myself, and I like to say the white coats as well. So anytime you have a question about ingredients, allergens, pull out a white coat and ask them away. Another exciting thing about our dining hall is we have a vegan and vegetarian station. It's called Rooted. It kind of has its own look in the back, but that is tailored towards having vegan and vegetarian. So they have a hot meal, protein, side, vegetable, and then they also have their own like cold well, which usually has like a hummus, sides, dips, dressings over there. And they also have a cool coconut water station as well. So those are the 2 things that I'm very excited about in dining hall. Like I said, we have a lot of variety in dining hall. I'm here to assist you with how to navigate dining. If you have any questions, pull me aside. I do not bite, I promise.
Now that you have successfully navigated the caf, set your items on the conveyor belt and give us a smiley face on the way out.